How to convert live photos to regular photos on iPhone. Want to turn a live photo into a normal still photo? In this video, I'll show you 4 easy ways to convert live photos into regular photos on your iPhone. Method 1. Duplicate as a still photo. Open the Photos app and find the live photo you want to convert. Tap the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Duplicate, then tap Duplicate as Still Photo. A new copy will be created as a regular photo without any motion or sound. Method 2. Turn off live photo. Open the live photo in the Photos app. Tap the live label at the top left corner. From the menu, select Live Off. The motion effect will be removed, and the photo will behave like a standard image. Method 3. Use the Edit option. Open your live photo and tap Edit. Tap the Live Photos icon at the bottom. Then tap Live at the top to disable the live effect. Finally, tap Done to save your changes. Method 4. Save as a still image using Notes. Open the live photo and tap the Share button. Choose Notes, then tap Save. Open the Notes app and open the note containing the photo. Tap the Share button again, then select Save Image. The saved image will be a regular photo in your Photos library. And that's it. Those are 4 simple ways to convert live photos into regular photos on your iPhone.